Explaining your hair goals to a hairdresser isn't always easy, especially if you aren't quite sure what you want or you have had some bad experiences in the past. Expressing yourself in the right way during the consultation means you avoid leaving the salon disappointed and your hairdresser can quickly identify what hair you are craving. After watching this video, you're going to know how to prepare for your appointment, what to ask for, and most importantly, how to get the hair you really want. Let's break things down and look at how you can best prepare for your consultation.
It's time for a little reflection. Stand in front of the mirror and look at your hair. Write down 3 things that you like and 3 things that you would like to change. Is it too dark on the ends? Does your colour look a bit stripy or dull? Do you love your natural sun-kissed pieces around your face? Make a note of these as you'll need them during your consultation. As an expert tip, it's always best to do this in natural daylight, as you'll see your true hair colour much better.
Most of the time, hairdressers can tell if your hair is completely natural or not, but occasionally they need your help to know what's lurking beneath the surface. Just because you might have been a year since you've had a colour or a Brazilian blow dry doesn't mean that it's completely washed out. It's also a good idea to write down any specific home care products that you like or ones to avoid and why. The more information, the better.
There are so many different colour options and no 2 colours are exactly the same. So arrive at your appointment with a clear idea of what you want and at least 3 pictures of hair that you really like. Be specific. What is it that you like about these pictures? Why are you drawn to them? How are they different from other colours which are similar? Being able to verbalise this will ensure your hairdresser really understands you and where you want to get to.
If you're looking for inspiration, visit the Wella Professional Pinterest account. Click on the saved boards and here you will find lots of different categories like blondes, balayage and this year's colour trends we can get you started. This might sound obvious. Try to find images of hair which is similar to yours in length and also thickness. A colour technique will look completely different for each hair type.
If you're looking for a change, it's best to give your hairdresser a heads up and let them know what you're thinking. They can then advise you on what to book in for and if you need to come for a consultation.
The first step in the consultation is where your hairdresser will get to know you and your hair type. You can prepare your answers for these questions in advance. So how do you feel about your hair? What's your likes and dislikes? Does your colour suit your lifestyle? And what kind of budget are you working with? And how often do you want to visit the salon? This is also where your hairdresser will assess your hair type, hair history, and what colours would suit you. When you go for your consultation, make sure that you style the hair in your usual way so your hairdresser can see how you like to wear it. The second step is to discuss the types of changes you want to see. Are you looking for a subtle change or a big change? This is where you get your inspirational pictures out. The third and final step is to talk about how to achieve the look, which product you will need to use at home, and finally, the overall cost.
Everyone is always searching for the perfect hairdresser, but here's 5 things you can do to be the perfect client. Arrive 5 minutes early for your appointment. Turning up late means less time spent on making your hair look great. If you're planning a change to your usual colour, then tell your hairdresser in advance. Otherwise, they might not have the time to do what you want on the day. Make sure you allow enough time for your appointment. Great hair cannot be rushed. Arriving with greasy or wet hair is actually best avoided. Wash your hair the day before your appointment and style it in your normal way. Look after your hair between salon visits with good professional products which have been recommended by your hairdresser.
If you like this video, please comment below and subscribe to our channels. For more information on Wella Professionals, visit wella.com.
Thanks for listening.